So this video will be mainly answering these three questions on the board. So let's go through this first question. What is an EPN number? It will be better for understanding if we can separate this into three parts, which E stands for the electron numbers, P stands for proton numbers, while N stands for neutron numbers. So let's take nitrogen as an example. This white paper ball is an atom of nitrogen, and we can separate it into several parts. The blue ball is proton, which plays a pretty important role in an atom. So protons mainly determines the chemical behaviors of an element, and scientists use the number of protons of an atom to differentiate different elements. And these tiny yellow pieces are electrons, which they move in a subtle way. We usually call them orbitals, like inside an atom, right? So, and about the second question, how to find number E, and it's actually equals to the number of protons, because proton carries positive charges while electrons carries negative charges. And an element, if it's want to be stable and exist without an ionic state, so the numbers of positive and negative charges should be balanced. So the numbers of electrons and protons will always be the same, or the atom will be turned into an ion. And lastly, this green ball represents neutrons, which is one of the subatomic particles that determines the mass of an atom. So by answering your last question, how to determine the number n? So if we want to get the neutron number, we need to use the relative atomic mass number to minus proton number. The reason of doing this is because the mass of an atom were mainly constructed by protons and neutrons, and after minus protons mass from the atomic mass, there's only mass of electrons and neutrons left. While the mass of electrons are negligible, so only thing left is the mass of neutron, because the mass of the neutron is 1 AMU, so the mass of neutron is simply the number of neutron. And finally, let's take nitrogen as an example again, which is its electron number is the same as proton number, which is 7. And the number of neutrons equals the relative atomic mass minus by the mass of protons, which is 14 minus 7 equals to 7. And all above is the solution of how to find an EPN number. Thanks for watching.